This is a silver foil-based graphics. It was so nice I had to just put new side rails on there. I had some beat up ones. But I got a new lock bar with a button, and the lock bar comes straight off. And then this is actually one complete graphic. Check it out. Boom, I got the original coin door with the original sticker. And the graphic continues across the entire front of the machine. Everything lined up perfectly. There's actually going to be a little joystick sticking out right there, barely. And then this is a button panel. I have 5 buttons and go right there. And the trick of this is you do it, you don't even have to do the edge perfect, and then you do a paint marker and go like this down the line. So this is like so professional, and it just looks awesome. I couldn't believe how nice this came out. So super into this Godzilla graphic kit. But this is actually from a full-size stern, which is that much bigger. So I had to put it at a crazy angle and cut all this stuff and patch part of it just to get it to fit. But you wouldn't know at all. But like this modern stern here is literally 3 or 4 inches taller. So what I did is I centered my graphic and I had quite a weird angle. I got this pretty close. But again, you got your little pin deal there. Actually, see, I got to fill that in right there with black. But what else was I going to say? Yeah, I cut off like 3 or 4 inches right there, but you wouldn't know. And then, oh yeah, back here, this was at a weird angle. It went down like this, and so I just took some random stuff and patched it in there. And yeah, I might patch a little bit more, but you're not going to, yeah, like you don't notice. So it's not too big a deal. All right. And this part right here I spliced in, and I had a piece that matched perfectly going across there, but really you don't notice. But I had, anyway, I put the piece somewhere, I didn't see it, and I could have done a little more perfect, but you're not going to notice. So super happy with this. All right, I'll do another video. Oh, also the polished chrome legs are crazy. But I'll do another video when I get to the next step.